Hello traders, welcome back to my channel, and it's our third day of 60 days 40% profit challenge. Today morning we take the NZDCAD trade. First of all, we check the fundamentals. There was no any fundamental data, so we take the technical analysis on that and we take the sell trade. And you can see here is the results, and this trade was not that much successful as this is still running with the 12 pips, and you can see the graph. I will let you know tomorrow, as I have to upload this video that's on daily basis. That's why here's the results of today, as we earned $16 today, but some trades are still running. As you can see, I take another trade of CHFJPY. In this we have some technical analysis, and after a few minutes, around 2 to 3 hours, we hit the target in CHFJPY. And here's the graph. You can see I have taken some technical analysis on this and took this trade for the buy side. And here's the today result. We earned $16.69, and I also forgot to mention that I took two trades before that. One is gold and one other is GBPCAD. In GBPCAD we hit the SL, and in gold we take $10. Here we have some running trades, that is EURJPY and NZDCAD. And here's the total results of the last 3 days. We make to $86 overall.